Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Facebook Marketplace and exploring how you can start selling your items quickly and efficiently. Whether you're decluttering your home or looking to make some extra cash, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to get started. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. You can access it through the Facebook app on your Android. For that, first open your Facebook app and log in to your account. And if you are already logged in, hop up on Next Step ASAP. Once you are in Homepage, next click on menu icon in the top right corner. Next, look for Marketplace and click on it. Once you're on the Marketplace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice categories such as Buy, Sell, and Discover. To sell an item, click on the Sell button. Pop-up with some options will appear. For this moment, I am choosing Items. Once in, make sure to provide accurate and detailed information to attract potential buyers. To start, add pictures of your product. Tap on Add Photo option, and you will be referred to your gallery. Here you can choose up to 10 pictures. Next, give title to your product. Now, set price as per whatever you have planned. In Next Step, you have to select category regard to your product. Click on Category option and many options will pop up on your screen. Choose regards to your product and hop up to Next Step. Now, you have to fill the information regarding the condition of your product. Next, it's the description box. Filling here is up to your choice because it's optional. If there are any information regarding to your product, including any details and imperfections that might help people understand the item that you're selling, a detailed description may help you sell faster. Check your location and edit if needed. You can also choose More Details option to put any additional information about your listing. And if you wish, check for more available options below. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to publish your listing. But before you do, take a moment to review everything and ensure it looks good. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner of the page, and voila! Your item is now live on Facebook Marketplace, visible to millions of potential buyers in your area. Now that your listing is up, don't forget to keep an eye on your messages and notifications. Buyers may reach out with questions or offers, so be prompt and courteous in your responses. You can negotiate with buyers, arrange meetups, and finalize the sale directly through Facebook Messenger. Remember to prioritize safety. And there you have it, folks. Selling on Facebook Marketplace is as easy as that. Whether you're selling old furniture, electronics, or clothing, Facebook Marketplace provides a convenient platform to connect with buyers in your community. So, start decluttering and turning your unused items into cash today. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.